Oh, okay. So you're checking them out for me? Can you go check the tire out? What do you think? Does it look good?
Not at all.
The tires look okay?
No, it looks like weird. Dad.
Yeah, bud.
Can you, when we get to my house, can we play?
Yeah, of course we can play when we get back home, buddy. Of course.
Tower information, X-ray 1552 Zulu, wind 18010, visibility 7, sky clear. Temperature 28, dew point 19, altimeter 3013. Arrival expect the RNAV 15. Visual approaches in use. VFR departures bias, ground control direction of flight. Notice the airman runway 1836 closed. Taxiway Charlie closed, north of runway 927 and south taxiway Papa. ILS runway 33 localizer unusable, beyond 8 degrees right to the runway centerline. Taxiway Alpha between taxiway Charlie and taxiway Alpha 2 permission to change to a movement area. Advisors contact you of X-ray.
I don't think so.
Did you hear that guy talking?
X-ray 1552 Zulu, wind 18010.
Do you hear him talking?
Sky clear. Temperature 28, dew point 19, altimeter 3013. Arrival expect the RNAV 15. Visual approaches in use. VFR departures bias, ground control direction of flight. Notice the airman runway 1836 closed. Taxiway Charlie closed, north of runway 927 and south taxiway Papa. ILS runway 33 localizer unusable, beyond 8 degrees right to the runway centerline. Taxiway Alpha between taxiway Charlie and taxiway Alpha 2 permission to change to a movement area.
You said the same thing.
Yeah, I know, but I missed a couple of spots that I needed to hear though. Alright, dude, we got X-ray.
Okay, Dad.
Alright, buddy. So, we gotta finish up with our checklist here, make sure we did everything we were supposed to do. Radios we got on, the flaps are up, taxi clearance we've obtained. So,
Dad?
yes, buddy? You're super cute.
Are you going to take a bath with me?
Do you like it when Daddy takes a bath with you so we can play?
Yeah, sure, dude.
Alright, buddy. Alright, I gotta talk to air traffic. Ground Twin Cessna 771 Bravo Charlie with X-ray Skyhaven VFR departure to the north, request taxi.
Cessna 771 Bravo Charlie, road ground runway 15, taxi via Alpha, cross runway 18, hold short 15.
So I got the 15 via Alpha, and quick question, I just saw somebody come off the 27. Is there any chance we could get that?
Cessna 1 Bravo Charlie, runway 27, taxi via Alpha.
27 taxi via Alpha, 1 Bravo Charlie, thank you much. We'll do the run up here, thanks.
Dad,
Yeah, bud.
what's that green thing?
Aurora ground, Debonair 8903, Romeo is at the east ramp, ready to taxi VFR southeast with X-ray.
That's the same thing.
Yeah. Alright.
Debonair 8903, Romeo, Aurora ground, runway 27, taxi via
We're taxiing to the runway, bud. And that's our runway.
Alpha 27,
So you got your seatbelt on. We're going to do the run up real quick. And then we're going to go take the airplane to go drop it off to get the avionics fix that Daddy broke. Fuel flows are normal.
Dad.
Yeah, buddy.
Why did you break it right there?
It was an accident. Daddy had an accident. I didn't mean to.
How did you break it?
How? I tapped on it a little too hard, and now it doesn't work at all. Doesn't move, bud. Doesn't move. Daddy broke it good. So let's just do 2, 3, A.
Hey. Dad.
Yeah, bud.
When we're on our flight, I fly.
Yep, when we get in the air, you're gonna get to fly.
Dad, what's that airplane doing?
He's gonna take off ahead of us, bud.
Aurora Tower, Debonair 8903, Romeo holding short, 27 ready to go.
bad guy, Dad? Romeo?
793 Romeo Tower, runway 27, wind 2008, left turn out approved.
Here we go.
Takeoff 27, left turn out approved, 893 Romeo.
Yeah, no more talking until we get in the air, okay? Tower, Twin Cessna 771, Bravo Charlie's behind the debonair, number 227, ready to go.
Cessna 1 Bravo Charlie Tower, hold short, runway 27.
1 Bravo Charlie's holding short of 27. He's taking off, and now we're going to take off right behind him, bud.
How do I talk?
You are talking, bud, I assure you. You just gotta wait now, okay?
Oops.
You're so cute.
Cessna 1 Bravo Charlie, runway 27, wind 190 at 12, right turn north approved, cliff takeoff.
1 Bravo Charlie,
you're cute too.
right turn out approved, thank you.
You too, Dada.
Alright, buddy, we're about to take off, so you gotta be very quiet till we get in the air, okay? And don't touch this. And you gotta make sure your seatbelt's nice and snug. It is. Here we go. Got the power up to 1700. Everything's looking good. We release the brakes. Going full power. And we're making full power. Fuel flows all look good. Gauges are all in the green. Everything feels nice. Put a little crosswind in. Airspeed's alive. And we're gonna rotate at 100 here. Then we're tapping the brakes, bud. Gears coming up, and we're crabbing into the wind. You're doing a good job, buddy. Now we're in the air, look out. It's fun, huh? You're doing great. Polar Bear says, this ain't my first rodeo. I'm an experienced flyer.
Airport's over there. One, two, 300. 305.
Approach to
Dad, you said I was
1
fine.
Bravo Charlie, just north of Aurora at 2,500, request flight following.
1 Bravo Charlie, I didn't get the full call sign.
771 Bravo Charlie, Cessna 310.
Stay on 99.
771 Bravo Charlie, stay request.
Flight following to Lake in the Hills.
Seven 771 Bravo Charlie, Fox 5163.
5163 1 Bravo Charlie.
Kevin?
You got it.
Hey, buddy.
Howdy. Wouldn't necessarily get flight following, but it's pretty hazy up here, and I got the little man on board, so precious cargo.
Oh, right on, okay.
Alright, Koa Bear. You want to fly a bit?
Auto approach, remain outside of Class Bravo airspace, and what's your destination?
Hotel Alpha India.
There you go. I can't.
266
So see, you're moving the plane. You see that? Nice and soft like you're doing.
66 Romeo, Roger.
So,
30.
go a little to the left now, and see the plane fly left.
30.
You're doing it. Now, you got to push the nose down just a little bit. There you go. Oh, don't push that button. That talks to air traffic. So your big brother did a video of 15 and flying, and you were like, nope, I'm going to show you up. I'm going to do 4 and flying. Daddy's at a weird angle. I can't really scoot your seat up. Sorry. You're doing good. Come back this way just a little bit. Can you fly back that way just a little bit?
Do it now.
Daddy, do it now? You did a great job. But you were just flying the airplane. You flew the airplane. Just you. Daddy wasn't touching anything. That's pretty neat, huh? Look, we're halfway there. Do you want to fly again for a little bit?
Sure.
Okay, you got it. Daddy's going to drink some water while you're flying.
Departure engine 590 is 1.9 for 2,000, left turn to 040.
590 Chicago departure, radar contact, climb maintain 4,000.
4,000, 590.
Ray Mike Romeo, descend to maintain 3,000.
Maintain 3,000, Mike Romeo.
November 6 Victor Romeo, remain outside of Waukegan class Delta airspace. 26 Victor Romeo. Roger.
Go over here. We got to come back this way just a little bit.
Can you do it?
Yep, I do it. You want to hold Daddy's hand? Well, we're almost
Ray
there.
Mike Romeo, proceed direct Tyga.
Direct Tyga, Mike Romeo.
Dad, I'm talking to the air traffic patrol tower.
You are? Like there's one.
1 Bravo Charlie, traffic is 12 o'clock and 5 to 6 miles southbound, altitude indicates 1,900. It appears he's in the pattern there at Lake in the Hills.
1 Bravo Charlie's looking no joy.
Right.
Alright, bud, Daddy's going to need both my hands now. You just hold on right there. You're doing good. We're about to be on the
Victor
ground.
Romeo, what's your on-course heading for your destination?
Burling to traffic, 9 Romeo Victor, 2 miles north of the field. We'll be flying over at 1400.
Dad, is that pink one us or that black one's us?
But the pink one's us.
Dad.
Alright, we got the traffic on final, bud. We're doing good, buddy. We got gas, undercarriage, 3 green. Mixtures and props are all set pretty good. We'll bump them up just a little. Lake in the Hills traffic, Twin Cessna 1 Bravo Charlie is turning left base 26, Lake in the Hills. We'll be on the ground in just a minute, bud. Doing really good. Having fun? Fun with Daddy? Lake in the Hills traffic, Twin Cessna 1 Bravo Charlie is base to final 26, Lake in the Hills.
Lake in Hills, Camp Swift, 2 miles north, enter left down 126, full stop Lake in Hills.
Lake Mills traffic, down at 82 Tango Lima, clear the access.
Alright, we're on glide path. We're on final.
Dad,
Yeah, bud.
can our airplane float on water?
Not this one, bud.
That can?
On glide path, on speed.
Air traffic control.
We landed, bud. We made it.
Now, are you going to fix our airplane?
Yep.
Lake in Hills, Camp Swift, turn left down 126, Lake in Hills.
Dad, can I drive a little bit?
Yeah, let Daddy get us off the off the runway and then you can. Look, there's a big hawk right there. Red-tail hawk. Lake and Hills traffic, Twin Cessna 1 Bravo Charlie is clear and 26 at the end, Lake and Hills. Alright, bud, you can steer that a little bit. Thanks for riding along with us. We're at Lake in the Hills to get our avionics fixed. So we'll be able to fly normal again. Next time we'll have a little intro into the G5, dual G5 setup. There's a little reversionary.
Lake in the Hills traffic, Cessna 969 Romeo, departing runway 26. We'll be having an eastbound departure. Lake in the Hills.